Hello guys, welcome. My name is Udan Saswat and I am going to explain you some question of sample paper class 9 mathematics. Let us begin. This is question number 16. We have in figure AB is parallel to DC and we have to find the value of X. So what we'll do, we have first we'll take a look at triangle AOB. Mark the point O, here it is. We have triangle AOB here and COD here. So in triangle, from these two triangles, we can conclude angle AOB is equal to angle COD. That is, angle AOB equals to angle COD. They are vertically opposite angle, and hence they are equal. And we have next angle ODC. We have ODC, which is here, and angle OBA, which is here. Since AB is parallel to CD, they will be equal because of alternate opposite angle. And using the same concept, we can conclude OCD equals to OAB. So by AAA criteria, we can conclude triangle AOB and COD are congruent, which will give us the conclusion that OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. And now putting the corresponding value of different side length, that is OA 3x minus 19, OCx minus 5, OBx minus 3, and OD is equal to 3, will get x square minus 17x plus 72 equals to 0. For solving this, we will take minus 17x can be written as minus 9x minus 8x plus 72 equals to 0. Taking x as common, x minus 9, and here taking minus 8 as common, we will take x minus 9, which will give us value x minus 9, x minus 8, x minus 9. So x will be 8 and 9. Let's jump on to the next question. We have to prove the following trigonometric identity. We have been given a trigonometric identity under root 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta equals to sec theta minus tan theta. So what we'll first do, we will have to rationalize this equation. 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta into under root multiplying and dividing by 1 minus sin theta under root 1 minus sin theta. Sin theta. So 1 minus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta will give us 1 minus sin theta whole square by 1 minus sin square theta whole to under root. So what will, when we take it out of the under root, we can conclude 1 minus sin theta square can be written as 1 minus sin theta. And since 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta, and taking cos square theta out of under root, we left with 1 by cos theta. Now separating this, 1 by cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta. So 1 minus sin cos theta is sec theta, sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. So this is the required proof we have. We'll jump on to the next question. We have without using trigonometric table, so we don't have to use the trigonometric value of corresponding sin 20, sin 70, and so on, but we have to evaluate this equation given here. So we have sin 20 whole square plus sin 70 whole square by cos 20 whole square plus cos 70 whole square. So we'll take this question part by part. So I'm taking this part first. That is written sin 20 whole square plus sin 70 whole square by cos 20 whole square plus cos 70 whole square. So directly I will convert sin 70 can be here you can see sin 70 can be written as sin 90 minus 20, which will be cos 20 whole square. So we can put sin 20 square plus cos 20 square. I have converted sin 70 here. You can see sin 90 minus 20, which will give us cos 20. And I have written directly. Now keeping cos 20 as it is, and now converting cos 70 in terms of sin 20. So I have written here cos 90 minus 20, which will give us sin 20. So sin 20 whole square. So we have sin 20 plus cos 20 equals to 1, which is sin square plus cos square 1, and cos square 20 plus sin square 20 1 as well. So this part has come one by one. This is 1, and now taking this part, we have sin 90 minus theta equals to cos theta, sin theta as it is by tan theta, and cos 90 minus theta sin theta, cos theta as it is, and cot theta. Solving this, we will get cos square theta, and solving this, we will get sin square theta. And cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. And using from previous in this part, we have got 1. So 1 plus 1 equals to 2, which is the required proof. Next question we have a system internally measuring 150, 120 centimeter, 110 centimeter. These are the dimensions. Has 1,29,600 centimeter cube of water in it. So we have porous bricks are placed in the water until the cistern is full of brim. Each brim absorbs 1/17th of its own volume of water. So what the brick does, brick absorbs 1/17th of its volume of the water. So how many bricks can we put in without the water overflowing? Each brick being the dimension of bricks are been given here. So firstly, we'll try to find each brick absorb 1/17th of its own volume of water. So that is volume of water absorbed by one brick will be 1 by 70 into volume of brick. So volume of brick is 1096.875, which we have calculated using this dimensions given here. So let us consider that n bricks is placed inside the cistern. So volume of water that will be absorbed by n bricks will be n into volume of water absorbed by one brick, which is 64.52 into n. This will be the volume of water absorbed by n bricks. Now we'll try to form a equation. So using this, we have calculated that using this only the dimension given of dimension of the system, we have find the volume of water. We have found the volume of cistern, which is 198,000 which will be equal to the total volume of brick. So since it is the volume of cistern and we have kept the brick inside the cistern, so what we'll do this so this will be equal to volume of cistern, volume of brick, sorry, the n brick which we have put in cistern. So n into volume of one brick 1096.875, this plus the water which has already been put 129600. Since some of the water that is here was absorbed by the brick, the porous brick, so the volume of water that is absorbed by one brick is 64.52. So we have kept n brick, so we will subtract some water that has been absorbed by porous brick from the total volume of water 625 n, which is given here. This equation we have to calculate n, which is after calculating we will left with 1792.41. Since we have to avoid overflowing and bricks we have to avoid overflowing, we will take 1792 bricks only. Let's jump on to the next question. We have, if a number x is chosen at random from number -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2, what is the probability that x square is less than 2? So we have been given 5 numbers here, -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2. So we will consider these numbers x. So what we have to find, we have to find the probability that x square value of these 5 numbers is less than what is the probability of value of x square that is less than 2. So we have 5 values of x, so we will find the corresponding x square value. So taking -2x, we have x square equals to 4. x is equal to -1, x square equals to 1, x equal to 0, x square equal to 0, x equal to 1, x square equal to 1, x is equal to 2, x square equals to 4. Now we have to find the probability that x square is less than 2. So for this we will take number of x square that is less than 2, which is here 1, 0 and 1, and the total number of values of x square. So we have 5 different values of x square, so probability will come 3:5. Thank you so much.